Hey everyone, Christina here from happywomen.co. So I am really excited about something really new that I am sharing with all my viewers and all my friends on Facebook and on Instagram. I have partnered up with the 8 to 5 exit plan with business coach Alyssa Kathryn, an awesome mom of one, a business owner, and she's an online business coach as well. She actually quit her job about 2-3 years ago and decided to really turn her passions into profit. Now she lives in Peru, she runs a business over there, and she has the online coaching business as well, helping women from all over the world, from all walks of life, really take their passions and turn them into businesses. So I love this. I love learning from people. I love learning from women, moms that have actually done what I want to achieve. So I wanted to share her mini course with you guys. She is hosting a free mini course this week where she's kind of giving us a sneak peek behind her program, taking you from idea to validation to finding the perfect, your perfect audience, and then really marketing your idea and crafting your message, helping you price your service, and then really launching it. So she really takes you from A to Z. Full service, amazing training, and I am in her group as well. Absolutely love it. So I wanted to share it with anyone that may have an idea behind their mind but don't know exactly how to do it. Maybe you're scared or you're overwhelmed, and I totally get that. Maybe you don't have an idea but you hate your freaking job and you just can't wait to be home, or you can't wait to for the weekend to come because you hate going to work, but you don't know what else you can do, right? What else can you do to make money? So she's gonna help you find what your passion is, right? So let's say you don't have an idea, but you really want to check out the program, you totally can. And this is for someone that might have, let's say, a small service. Maybe you're, I don't know, a caterer, or you teach something online and you want to take it to the next level. So she can help you with that as well. Her program is easy to follow. It's step by step. There's worksheets to help you through, a private Facebook group only with students that are following her program, and it's really amazing. So the best part is that for any of my viewers, let's say you see this video and you want to check it out, we get a $200 discount on her program, which is awesome, obviously. So if you're interested in joining, I will post a link below. Let me know, reach out if you have any questions. If not, and you want to check it out, amazing, click the link below. It's going to take you directly to the page. Yeah, and that's it. So I hope you guys are having an awesome Sunday so far, and I will chat with you guys soon. Bye.